What's the meaning of ASCAP? ASCAP. ASCAP.
ASCAP. ASCAP. ASCAP stands for the American Society of Composers, Authors, and Publishers. It is a professional membership organization that represents over 775,000 songwriters, composers, and music publishers in the United States. ASCAP is responsible for collecting and distributing royalties to its members whenever their music is played on the radio, television, or any other public performance. Through its licensing agreements with various media outlets, ASCAP ensures that its members are fairly compensated for their creative works. The organization also provides various educational, networking, and advocacy services to its members.